It's a bit on the sunny side, it's a bit on the warm side. Just trying to keep on top of this watering. I used, stupidly perhaps, Miracle Grow peat-free compost. This has been in that gravel tray down there for an hour from taking out the bag, and it's like dust. So I got a few things I've potted on here. Doing a bit more potting on. Don't water in the sunshine, you'll burn the leaves. Right, well let's just check that in an hour's time or something. There's a big water drop on this one here. We'll check on that. Anyway. What this video is about, me and the grandkids. The 4 youngest grandkids, the gremlins as their mum calls them. That's Kyra, Olivia Ray, Rowan and Harry. We had a lovely time Father's Day, spent all afternoon with them. We were up the plot for a good hour and a half. They helped me plant a few things, and tell you what, they learnt a few things. So encouraging to see the enthusiasm in young kids, you know. Olivia, I showed her ladybird. There was about 10 on one of the broad beans, and the ladybird was eating the black fly. I explained it all and I showed them all. And as soon as I'd finished telling her, she rushed off, got Rowan, took him over to the plants and showed him and told him exactly the same. It's in the footage, watch out for it, it's a couple of minutes in. Now, speaking of footage, I made a mistake. I took my phone. I used my phone for filming because it was mobile, stick it in my pocket, blah, 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 you know. And I knew a tripod and camera would be no good because I'd be all over the shop and chasing around after them. But as soon as somebody needed some help, I'd be filming. As soon as someone needed some help, I'd put it there and I'd help, for example, Kyra digging a little bit to get a squash or a pumpkin in, lift up again, and because I touched the screen, it stopped videoing. So we got a lovely bit of video of the prep work, not much video of the stuff going in. Luckily, there is one of each actually planting some, so they'll be happy. And afterwards, we went to the Barn Owl up just in Quedgley or Ardwick in Gloucester. Lovely meal. Bit crowded for Father's Day, but we had lovely meals all pre-booked, like, you know. And they totally enjoyed it, and which is what I found really unusual with kids these days. They all ate every bit of their food, and they all enjoyed it. And that is something, you know, normally it's, oh, I can't eat that, I don't want that, oh, do you want that, do you want that? And Rowan, bless him, he kept saying to me, Grampy, do you want some of my chicken burger, do you want my chicken burger? I said, no, let me eat my roast, you know. And in the end, he ate it all himself anyway. He wasn't offering me because he didn't want it, he's offering it me because he wanted to give me some, you know, share it. Here's a picture of what Kyra drew for me. It's got me sorted out to a T, and it's got me sussed out to a T. Look at the belly on me. Oh, bless him. I love him to bits. Anyway, here's the footage. Hope you enjoy it. Just push it one side and use the trowel just to push it all away underneath. That's it, and the bit underneath. That's it, and then keep going till you get to soil.
Where are you digging a hole in it, Kyra?
At the end of your foot. At the end of your foot.
Dig a hole where you put your foot, Kyra.
That's it. Dig a hole there, then. That'll do. Now dig a little hole there. Push down with the trowel. That's it. Keep going. Bit deeper. Push down, Kyra. That's it. You got it?
I don't.
There's a little ladybird here. Come on then. Eat the green fly, buddy. Alright, Olivia, can you make a hole for me, please? And we'll plant some runner beans. Just make one and push it down. That'll do. Now give it a good wiggling around. A little bit more. That'll do. Now take it out. Remember where the hole is. Thanks for that, Olivia. That's brilliant. Whoever's got the hose pipe, we'll tell them to come and do some watering in a second, okay? But even on this one plant here, look, Olivia, there's one.
Well,
two.
Look at that plant.
Three.
It's in the windows, isn't there?
Three. There's one there. Yeah, there are loads, and they're eating all these little black fly, look. See, there's 2, 3 on this one, look. Cool. And there's 4. There's 4. I've never seen so many. Yeah. Cool.
One there. One there. Where's the red one? I just pointed out. Where's the red one?
That one nearest you, Olivia's got about 4 or 5 ladybirds on it.
This one.
The tall one.
One on now.
They've probably flown off somewhere else now.
There's one there. Oh, there's the red one and the orange one going together. The red one's there. And there's another orange one.
That's it, Kyra, get in there. All right, mate. Yeah, please. You make a hole just there, then, please. Yeah. Give it a good wiggle, side to side. Bit bigger.
Right, we got these.
Yeah. Cool. Right, hang on then. Right. Can you lift that out of there very gently then and put in the hole? Give it a good push in with your fingers all the way down the big hole like you did. A bit further. That's it. And push that soil around the top. That's it. And then whoever's got the watering can can put some water in there.
I'll do it.
Can you do this one here then?
You do it.
Oh, let Rowan do it next to his plant, look. Put it. Bit towards you a little bit. Walk back a little bit.
This garden.
That's it. That's it. And can you do the rest while you're there, please? And that one, and these two up here as well. There's more to do yet, don't worry, we've got potatoes to do yet.
Potatoes.
Yeah. Hang on then.
What's that?
See the dragonfly? Can you see it?
It's still there. Grumpy, what's that bug?
Hang on a second.
Look, there's that.
Oh, okay.
That's a dead fly, oh yeah. What damn is that? A dragonfly?
Is that a
Damn,
dead
it's a
fly?
It's a red one. Oh, he's gone. Okay then, we need to plant a sweet potato, please, Olivia.
Okay.
So in the middle of those two squashes, it'll be, yeah, that'll do then. Might be a bit harder, this one. Right, is that ready, Olivia? We can get that in there now? Right, in with the sweet potato then, please. That'll do. Yeah. That should plop in nicely, that one. If you could push it down a little bit. That's it, and sort of push the straw back around deep down. That's it, that's it.
Is this a welcome trouble?
And whoever's got the watering can, we can ask them to come and water it.
It's a push.
Put the stick down then.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm carrying it.
No. Somebody else is turning. Kyra's now. So you can give that a good water in, please, Olivia. Brilliant.
Can I do one after?
Yeah, you do one and then Kyra can do the last ones. That'll do you, mate. That'll do. That'll do. Make a hole for me, please. Lovely. I think that'll do it, actually. And we'll put that one in that you've got in your hand. That's called lemongrass.
Should I give it to me?
Yeah, in a minute. In a minute. And when he's planting it, just squeeze it both ways. And then it should just drop out now, or pull it out. That's it. Gently, gently. Whole lot together. Come here. That's it, you got it. In the hole then, straight in the hole. And then give it a squash around, a bit deeper, push it in. Push it in, nice and deep. Press it in hard. That's it. And we get someone to water it for us. And you can do another one here as well. So if you come around here and do it. Step down in a minute, Kyra.
Why do I do it?
Just about there. Yeah, that'll do, yeah. So give it a wiggle side to side, that'll go in. Right, let's squeeze this one out for you. And the best way to do it is put your fingers like that over the top, and that's it, and turn upside down. Turn the plant upside, there we are, that'll do you. And give it a push in.
It's so hard and I have to push it down in the
I know, it's heavy, isn't it? Hoses aren't working today. Push it in a little bit, mate, and then yeah, gentle watering with those with a small plant, look. And then the one where Kyra is as well. We'll leave those pots there, Rowan, if you want. I'll get them tomorrow.
So was it...
Yeah, chocolate. That's it,
That
mate.
one?
Yeah, that's him. Yeah.
I'll pick you up. Now
Back,
I'll do this
back towards you a little bit and get it on the plant.
one. Yeah.
So if you come back a bit, go back a bit. Go back. That's better. Right, there we are. Then now we've got to get the potatoes out. Yeah, we don't want that one. It's not brown, not bad. It's what they grew from.
Yeah, but the bad ones, there's two bad ones down there because they actually...
Yeah.
I put my thumb in one of them.
Yeah, they stink, don't they?
Yeah. Kai, there's one right there.
Right, take the green bits out because we're going to push that soil on the ground in a minute. Give it a good shake. We'll let Kyra out the way. Isn't there a hair?
Or should I put all of this?
On the ground, chuck on the ground. I'll tidy up tomorrow. There's one there, Kyra, well done.
See if I can...
You find any Rowan?
Let me see if I can like flip it over.
There.
There we
Well done, Ro.
Found one.
Yeah.
Found one.
Right, get those green bits out as well.
Put them away. On a little guy. Oh, look at this. It's like the
Shake it,
biggest one.
shake it. Might be some potatoes in there, see?
Potatoes.
That'll do.
Yeah, they
Yeah, okay then. Is that? You think that's all of it?
No. No. Come on.
Get the green bits out. Get the green bits.
A potato! I think so, yeah. Me potato!
Right then, hang on then. And the gremlins' mum weighed these later on when they got home. As you can see there, 1.35 kilos. Not too bad, not too bad. First bucket of Kestrel. And I'm told they were very, very nice. So that's the first reveal of the year. Okay then, Kyra, we'll make a hole and we'll plant. Now I think that is a big squash. That'll do you. Careful to tip it, put your fingers over the end like I showed. That's it, now tip it upside down. Good. Right upside down. Right, no, don't pull it. That's it, squeeze, shake. That's it. In you go. And then totally bury that bit. Push the soil around the outside a bit. That's it, and we'll leave a little hole there, leave it a little hollow, and let's make it easier to water. Is there any water in the can, is there? Oh, sorry.
Oh, yeah, there is.
Push out of the way that stick, you'll catch yourself again. Now, back a bit, that's it. That's it, keep going, we'll do loads in there. That's it. Okay. I'll do you, thank you very much. Well, that was just about it for the plot. A little bit more watering. Then it was a half-hour drive up to the Barn Owl in Quedgeley, just south of Gloucester. Lovely meal. So round the table, from the left we got Harry, he's 2.5. Olivia Ray, she's 8 in August. Rowan was 6 the day before this video was made. And Kyra, she is 9 next month. And when they eventually got home, Rowan got stuck into the birthday present I gave him, a Lego set, a 3-in-1 Lego set, so you take it apart and rebuild it as other things. So the gremlins like gardening, the gremlins like cooking, the gremlins like Lego, and I've just noticed on Rowan's shirt, Star Wars, so the gremlins like Star Wars as well. What a great bunch. Well, it's been about an hour now, guys, and I'm watching that water drop, and the leaf looks as good as... I love these garden myths. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. Catch you on the next video. Take care.